Perhaps you're right. Oh, not to worry, Mr. Greasy. We'll save him somehow.
How do you think it does? Not on my watch!
Back off, Charles!
There's 2 days to go, Rebecca. Can you feel the excitement, guys? I can't believe tomorrow's the wedding. I know. Wait, is that Thomas running through us? Help! He took her! He took her away! She's not here! The beast has taken her! Come on, we gotta go! We must go to Blackpool and save her! Come on! Come on! We gotta go! There's no time to lose! Slow down, Thomas. What's got you talking in such a fast way? I need you, James. The same red engine who likes to show off his splendid red paint, and I remember rescuing you after a dreaded crash with the breakdown train. You get to come with me. You two big guys.
Gordon, you gonna be okay? I don't want to see you hurt, because you know I love you. Thank goodness you were okay.